Hello friends, you remember last class I told you that we have only 6 sentences in English or 6 types we can say. Or I told you there are only 6 ways of starting English sentences, or there are only 6 beginnings, or there are only 6 starting points, or there are only 6 triggering, starting point again. Now what are they? I will write, and then I told all the other millions of sentences that you make in English, they are variables of these 6 basic sentences. See, sentence I suppose. Group of words, it has got some meaning. There should be some meaning. For example, I went to Delhi. That won't make a sentence. To will not make a sentence. Went alone will not make a sentence. Delhi alone will not. I went to Delhi. So they have got a unit, you can say, a unit of meaning. Or there is some meaning. Or in good old days, used to be defined as complete meaning. Complete meaning. Okay, we can keep it like that. A group of words which that group of words, group of words as a unit, has a complete meaning, is a sentence. I went to Delhi, I saw you, he played basketball, another person played football, one has to look after oneself. So just below that you have got a phrase. In the market, see, at the door, in the class, on the shelf, these are phrases. It's complete. It's not complete. So I would request you to go through my grammar school where I have explained these things very clearly. Because it is grammar school, you won't find exercises. Exercises you will find only in English grammar tutorials. That is theory, for example. So you can also go through that. It will be useful to you. Then I have explained what is phrase, what is a sentence, and so on. And now, okay, coming back to this. So I am going to do something wonderful for you, and that is I am going to write down the 6 starting points, and you have to label them. Say you have, for example, kitchen, kitchen, or a library. If you get into a library, you will have books. Each book has got a label. Like that, these 6 starting points, they have labels. First is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only this. Otherwise you just say. Only 6 ways by which you can start an English sentence. And this one, you label. There is a label for this. A label is something like this now. Label. What is the label for this? You call it I only one. One means singular. I. That means in this case, the first person is I. So you call this label will be called one. You put it here. That is first person singular. Singular. You should know these labels. Without knowing this, you just go on repeating like a parrot. You won't understand. You let this be imprinted in your brain or mind. And now you say I. What is it? This first person singular. And then you have got again you. Only one. So you will see second person singular. And then you have got he, she, it. We call it, the label is third person singular. But there you have got the, as you can see, gender. He is masculine. So you have got three labels there. He, third person singular, masculine. She, third person singular, feminine. Feminine. And it, third person singular, neutral. Neutral means neither masculine nor feminine. So you have got labels like this. This has a label, another label, another label. Three labels here. 1, 2, 3. See that? So what do you call this? Without looking here, first person singular, second person singular, third person singular masculine, third person singular feminine, third person singular neutral. And what do you call this? First person plural, two. More than one. This plural, we. So it's a label for fourth is first person plural. Then for the fifth is second person plural. And for the sixth is third person plural. No difference in gender. So these are the altogether you can see 6 starting points. You have got 3 singular starting points and 3 plural starting points. And then you are like, maybe you may be thinking, what is this I, you and he, she, it, etc. There is nobody like that. Nobody is I, but everybody is I. Nobody is you, but everybody is you. Nobody is he, but everybody is he. All males are he. Nobody is she, but all females are she. Nobody is it, but all neutral. So tree, chair, desk, etc. Non-living things you can say. They are everybody is it, but should be neutral. Understand? Nobody is we, but everybody is we. Nobody is you, plural, everybody is you. Nobody is they, but everybody, we can say they. How is that? This concept should go deep into your mind. See, let's imagine like this. Hope that these labels you must learn. It's no doubt about it. Otherwise, you will be like parrot, like you will be repeating, and then still you will say, what is I? I am. What is you? You are. What is he? He is. But to understand and learn. If you understand it and learn, see, then what will happen? It will remain with you always. I told you there is no I, there is no we in the world. But everybody is I. Now suppose I. Okay. That is my name. Let's say my name is let's say my name is Ashok. I am Ashok. My name is Ashok. But there is one more person here, and that is you have got the prasad. Prasad. Understand? There is another person or persons. We will say boys. No name. Name also you can give. Okay, so this is the situation. Now what happens is, I am Ashok. I speak. Ashok speaks. Then my position is position of the first person. See that? First person is the person who speaks first. Ashok. That is I. And who is the second? To whom I speak. In this context, this is I, this is you. You. I speaking to you, Prasad. And about whom I talk, that is third person. See that? About him. This is two. This is two Prasad. Now here what happens is, this is the situation. I speaking to you, and I speak to you about he or she or it. Boys or they. If more than one, boy, singular, he, girl, here girl also can come. Tree. So, why that will be he, girl, she, tree, it, boys, they. Did you get that thing? See that? So here we are. I speak to Prasad about a boy, he, about a girl, she, about a tree, it, about boys, they, about girls, they, about trees, they. And then where is we? If there are two persons here, see, Ashok and friends, then we say we. Suppose there are two persons, Prasad plus Prakash. Then this will be plural you. This is all simple. Try to understand this. Tomorrow we will again meet and explain. Till then, just think about this. Who is I? Who is you? Who is he, she, it? Who are we? Who are you? And who are they? Right? Okay. So, till we meet again, bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life. But remember two things. One, there can only be 6 starting points for English sentences. And secondly, and these 6 starting points are given labels. And the label carries 1 or 2 words. Like first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. Then third person we have got the third person male, third person female, third person neuter. Okay. And then we have got plural. There we have got first person plural, second person plural, and third person plural. No difference in gender. Bye. Have a nice day.